Hello and welcome to the Connected Church News with me, Natchi. Lazarus. Lot going on in the AI space. We've got news from Genspark, the super agent AI. We've got news from Microsoft Copilot, Anthropic AI, Meta, and Google. This is the show that brings you the top 5 news that you need to know for this week in just 5 minutes, specifically packaged for leaders of nonprofits, churches, and ministries. Let's dive right in. Google made this big announcement about its AI mode inside search getting agentic capabilities. Agentic capabilities simply means that it can get things done for you, not just present as search results, but actually get things done. Look at this example from Google. So you open the AI mode and you say, find me a dinner reservation for 3 people, and you give it all the constraints like how many people, when do you want, and so on. And then it goes and it not only finds a restaurant, but it does all the analysis, puts all the constraints together, and finds various options with timings, which has exactly the number of seats you're looking for, the time, and all the other specifications that you give. So all you need to do is then just click the last button and book the reservation. Now that is agentic mode. I think going forward, we will start seeing agentic capabilities being built into the regular products and services that we use on a daily basis, which is awesome. Anthropic, the parent company of Claude AI, has launched new AI fluency courses and an advisory board for higher education. The official announcement talks about how they have appointed a higher education advisory board of distinguished academic leaders who will help guide how Claude serves teaching, learning, and research in higher education. So if you are involved in higher education in any way, then this is something you might want to check out. And also the announcement talks about 3 new courses that they have added to their AI fluency course list. AI fluency for educators, AI fluency for students, and teaching AI fluency. Right now, being educated in the AI space, becoming AI fluent is crucial for nonprofits, churches, and ministries. To learn more, you can go to anthropic.com/learn. We will also link to it in the show notes or the description. Microsoft quietly released a small AI feature that could actually end up becoming a huge AI feature for many of us on a daily basis. The new feature is called the Copilot function that comes to Excel. Now you can experience AI inside Excel. I'll give you an example that they have here. Let's just say you have listed the various feedback that you've received about your ministry in one column, right? You can just say equal to Copilot and classify this feedback. So open the Copilot function, you just put in the prompt and you select the range where you want to apply the prompt, and then just click. Look at this. It gives you whether it is a positive or negative feedback. That's very cool. And Microsoft has given you various scenarios that you can try, including ideas, summaries, classifying data, and so on. Now, this is a great example of building AI using the existing functionality of the product. Genspark announced that they are bringing one of their AI tools, a note taker, a meeting note taker, into Apple Watch to solve a day-to-day problem. I wanted to bring this to your notice because this could not only be useful to you, but it's also an important AI trend that you need to be aware of. In their YouTube video, they show how this works. So you just open the Apple Watch during your meeting. While you focus on the meeting, your watch is recording in the background. And once the meeting is over, it automatically uploads the meeting details onto your phone. Once it is synced, it summarizes and it gives you the discussion topics and everything else that a usual note taker app does. It also allows you to share it with all participants, which could be really handy. AI is maturing in such a way that companies are starting to bring AI into a day-to-day devices and workflows that we have to solve practical problems, which is exciting. Meta announced that they are partnering with MidJourney, the organization that specializes in AI image generation and now even images to videos, to enhance the visual experience of Meta users. The announcement says we are proud to announce a partnership with MidJourney to license their aesthetic technology for our future models and products. So the integration is not just at a surface level, but at the model level itself, maybe into Llama and more. It could be interesting to see how Meta handles this partnership. Going by Meta's past history, I think this partnership is not just about Instagram or Facebook or WhatsApp, but it's also about the whole metaverse plan that Meta has. Meta is thinking in terms of combining AI with their metaverse plan. I think this is a step towards that kind of a long-term vision. We'll have to wait and watch. What a great set of news items. If you need more details or source links or you want to talk more about it, then DM me at Natchi Lazarus on Instagram or simply leave a comment wherever you're listening to me. We'll make sure we get you all the details. I'll see you next week with another set of news items. Until then, you stay connected and stay blessed. God bless you. Bye-bye.